Lesson 14, Our Environment. The term environment comes from the French word environner, which means to surround. So in this chapter, children, we are going to study about components of the environment, biotic and abiotic, interdependence of and between different regions of the world, impact of local events on global environment, global warming. But in today's video, we'll cover only two topics, that is the component of the environment, biotic and abiotic, and interdependence of and between different regions of the world. Before starting the chapter, we should complete this puzzle. In this puzzle, what is given? The third R apart from reduce and reuse. What is the name of third R? What is third R stands for? From the reduce and reuse. What stands for the third R? That is recycle. The unit used to measure the intensity of sound, that is decibel. Harmful substance added to the environment, pollutants. Everything that surrounds us, environment. A disease caused by drinking polluted water, typhoid. A mixture of biodegradable waste that can be added to soil to increase its fertility, compost. So we have completed our puzzle. Now we can proceed. Next we have the definition of environment. People, plants, animals, lands, air, water, roads, houses, and everything around us is our environment. All these things, which we are surrounded by all these things, that is our environment. These are called components of environment. These are also called the components of environment. And the components of environment are divided into two types. That is natural components and human-made components. Now, what is natural components? Natural components means that is created by nature. That is created by nature, not human beings. Plants, animals, people, land, air, and water are few examples. They make up natural environment. The natural components are also divided into two. That is biotic and abiotic. Biotic components are plants, animals, and they make up the biosphere. Biotic components, they make biosphere. Whereas non-living things such as land, soil, air, water are the abiotic components. They, these three make up this land, water, air. This soil also come in land. Okay. These three makes up three domains. That is lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Okay. Air. By the air, atmosphere is there. And with the land, lithosphere is there. And hydrosphere stands for water. Now you have to study about human made components. Human made components are which are made by human beings such as houses, roads, factories, means of transports, all these things which are made by man, computer and all whatever. So these are human made components. They make up human made environment and these all together make up human made environment. Is that clear, children? Human made environment, natural components and human made components. Together here, human made components and natural environment, human made environment are same. Now we are going to study about interdependence of and between different regions of the world. How that different regions of the world are interdependent. So before that, you should understand the meaning of interdependence. Interdependence means that depending on each other. The dependence between two or more people, things, countries or regions on each other is known as interdependence. Nowadays, most countries are interdependent on other for the exchange of goods that they cannot produce or consume themselves. All the countries are not able to produce all the goods, no. Only some because of their habitat, because of their reason. So they are not able to produce all the goods. So they are depend on other. They are importing some goods or exporting some goods to the other countries. That is called interdependent. Interdependence among different countries has become strong through international trade. Now, what is international trade? International trade means the environment of international trade is regarded as the sum total of all the external force working upon firm as it goes about its affairs in foreign and domestic markets. Affair in foreign and domestic markets means that domestic markets means in their country, foreign markets means the other country. Okay, that is exporting and importing of the goods solely. That is international trade, and this has resulted in globalization. What is globalization? Globalization is the interaction and integration people in different areas of the world, means the unity of people, those are staying in different areas of the world. And interaction means that interplay. Okay, they are supplying their goods to other places and they are taking from the other countries. That is only the globalization. Here I am giving you some example. Like here you can see the picture of this rubber plantation. Rubber plantation, this is the plant of rubber, children. This is rubber tree, and this rubber is coming out. Okay, so latex from the rubber plantation, this latex is produced from the rubber plant. And of Southeast Asia, this rubber plantation is in Southeast Asia. Countries are sent to Europe and the USA, and this latex is sent to the Europe and USA countries. Similarly, the car manufacturing companies of Europe and the USA import rubber for tire from Southeast Asia countries. Okay, they import rubber for the tire from Southeast Asia companies, whereas the chocolate manufacturing companies of Europe import cocoa from the tropical region of South America, Africa, and Asia country. Merino wool is imported from Australia. Petroleum is imported from West Asia, and so on. So, this way, these countries are interdependent on each other. They are interdependent. Clear? So, here are some questions for you that is given in the book. I can do it under this. So, you have to solve these questions and send me fast. Okay. You have to take the photo of that page and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Clear, children? So, thank you, children.